BetterGrip Paint Roller would like to introduce their 9-piece Ultimate Project Kit. It includes everything needed to complete your upcoming painting project. Best of all, their paint rollers are designed to make painting easier, quicker, and less frustrating, while helping to reduce soreness and fatigue typically associated with painting. Each kit includes their patented 9-inch paint roller. It is lightweight, durable, ergonomic, and extremely versatile. Depending on the project and their personal preference, painters can hold the frame with a natural hand position, with the extension handle provided, or with any standard extension pole for hard-to-reach places like the ceiling, upper walls, or deck. The 3-piece frame connects on both sides of the cover, allowing painters to apply equal pressure. This creates a consistent paint trail that leads to better results in less time, with less frustration and fatigue. No more dealing with wireframes flexing, leaving a thin paint trail on one side and a heavy paint trail on the other. 2 premium 9-inch, half-inch nap roller covers are included in each project kit. When painting is done, cleanup is a breeze. Simply unscrew one arm, tilt the frame sideways, and most covers fall off hands-free. A little soap, water, and light scrubbing, and your BetterGrip paint roller is ready for the next project. No need to worry about a rusty or bent roller frame the next time you go to use it. The kit also includes a BetterGrip 4-inch handle adapter. Using the same arms and extension handle provided with the 9-inch paint roller, painters can convert their frame into a 4-inch paint roller by simply replacing the main handle and cover. Due to its small size and versatility, the 4-inch paint roller is perfect for painting trim or in tight areas. Like the 9-inch paint roller, when painting is done, simply unscrew one arm, tilt the frame sideways, and most covers will fall off hands-free. 2 premium 4-inch, half-inch nap roller covers are included in each project kit. Finally, what project kit would be complete without brushes and a paint tray? The BetterGrip Paint Roller Ultimate Project Kit includes 2 brushes, one 2-inch angled sash and one 2-inch flat. Perfect for touch-ups, painting along trim, or cutting in corners. The lightweight disposable plastic tray can hold up to 1 quart of paint. Made thicker than similar brands, it can often be cleaned and used more than once. The BetterGrip Paint Roller 9-piece Ultimate Project Kit is the perfect kit for do-it-yourselfers and average painters. Order one today.